Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are over 60 and struggling to get a good night's sleep, you are not alone. Many people in your age group face similar challenges. As we age, our sleep quality can take a hit, but don't worry, I have got some natural tips that might just help you unlock restful sleep once again. It's all about finding the right balance and making a few adjustments. First up, let's talk about melatonin. This is one of the most well-known supplements for sleep. Melatonin is a hormone that your body naturally produces to regulate your sleep-wake cycles. It essentially tells your body when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. As you age, your body might produce less melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. This can lead to those frustrating nights of tossing and turning. Taking a melatonin supplement about 30 minutes before bedtime can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge towards sleep. Next, we have magnesium. This mineral is often overlooked but is incredibly beneficial. This mineral is fantastic for calming your nervous system and relaxing your muscles. It plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. Magnesium can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common culprits that keep you tossing and turning at night. A calm mind and relaxed muscles are key to falling asleep. Consider taking a magnesium supplement or soaking in an Epsom salt bath before bed to help your body relax and prepare for sleep. Epsom salts are rich in magnesium and can be absorbed through your skin. Now let's not forget about chamomile. This herb has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including sleep issues. Chamomile tea has been a go-to remedy for relaxation for centuries. It's known for its calming effects and is often used to treat insomnia and anxiety. It's not just an old wives' tale. Chamomile contains antioxidants that can bind to certain receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. This makes it easier to drift off to sleep. A warm cup of chamomile tea in the evening can help you unwind and get ready for a restful night. It's a simple yet effective way to signal to your body that it's time to relax. While these natural aids can be incredibly helpful, they work best when combined with good sleep hygiene. This means adopting habits that promote consistent quality sleep. That means sticking to a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and limiting screen time before bed. Consistency is key when it comes to sleep. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. These conditions are ideal for sleep and can make a significant difference in your sleep quality. And don't forget to wind down with a relaxing routine, whether it's reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing some gentle stretching. These activities can help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. So to recap, melatonin for regulating your sleep cycles, magnesium for relaxation, and chamomile for evening calm. These natural supplements can work wonders when used correctly. Combine these with good sleep hygiene and you'll be on your way to unlocking restful sleep once again. Sweet dreams, everyone. Remember, quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Till next time, take care and sleep well.